A major practice area in our office is trust administration, the process of wrapping up a trust estate after the trustor, the person who created the trust initially, passes away. When that is over, however, how long should you as the trustee, the manager of that process, keep the records of what was done? Hi, I'm Andrew Bethel. The short answer for how long to keep records of a trust administration is 3 to 7 years, but probably not for the reason you might think. As a trustee of a trust, you have certain legal duties you need to adhere to, the most relevant of which is the duty to account for the trust assets. Trustees have a legal duty to provide an accounting of the trust assets, liabilities, and the trustee's activities during the term the trust estate is open. There are 3 points in time where this accounting is required to be turned over to beneficiaries: annually from the date of death of the trustor's passing, where there's been a change of a trustee, and where the trust has been terminated. This means that when the trustee is done, they have to provide an accounting to the beneficiaries, but the probate code, interestingly enough, doesn't really specify how long a trustee needs to retain these records after the fact. To that end, the real consideration for how long to retain records is with regards to taxes and the IRS. Yes, as taxes are one of the few certainties in life, they worm their way into just about every facet of it, trust administrations included. Trusts, even if there is no income during the administration process, should file a tax return for that year the process was undertaken. Due to this, there is now a tax return that has the potential, however small and unlikely, to be audited by the IRS. Therefore, a trustee, after providing an accounting to the beneficiaries, should retain trust records for at least 3 years following the filing of that return or payment of taxes, whichever occurred later. To err on the side of caution, however, the IRS recommends to retain records for at least 7 years. Uncle Sam is the one who wants you to keep those records around for a long time. However, keep in mind that as digital storage is cheap and plentiful now, you can keep digital records of everything effectively forever fairly easily, rather than keeping boxes of files collecting dust in your garage. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to check out some of our other excellent videos here, but don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and tell us what you'd like for us to cover down in the comments below.